cut across to breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing the high-level COVID meet with chief ministers of all states. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, who are not present in this meet. Prime Minister Modi is chairing the meet virtually and is likely to reiterate that the states must ensure strict adherence to all health protocols, including social distancing and the wearing of masks. The meeting assumes significance as some parts of the country have resorted to local lockdowns and travel restrictions amid rise in COVID cases, even as the Health Ministry has indicated that 5 states where more than 80% of the spike has been seen, and this is a matter of huge concern. Now, even as the vaccination drive is underway and there is a growing demand that there must be an expansion in the vaccination exercise that must open up for other categories as well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called this meet with chief ministers of all the states. I want to cut across to Madhurima, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Madhurima, we stay with those pictures. Prime Minister holding this virtual meet with chief ministers of all the states. Of course, Mamata Banerjee and Bhupesh Baghel have given this a skip. But what exactly is being discussed and what could be the next course of action?
Well, Swesha, as we know that on Monday earlier this week, the highest number of cases were recorded for the year 2021. That was above 26,000. And the number of deaths that were recorded were 118. So looking at the alarming condition of the second wave that has hit, the COVID cases wave has hit, the Prime Minister on Monday had taken the decision to conduct this particular meeting, which is underway today. Now, all these meetings are being discussed because of the wave of COVID cases that has hit the nation once again. However, the Health Ministry has pointed to the lackadaisical attitude of the people towards following the COVID-19 guidelines and has said that though the country is, successfully combating the COVID-19, and he also highlighted that these cases which are coming, which are being registered, the COVID cases are limited to few states. However, the rest of the country is following. So, in this particular meeting, all the chief ministers will be giving a stock of situation of the COVID-19 guidelines, how are they being followed, how the entire medical arena is being functioned to make sure that this COVID-19 situation which erupted like in the month of September, Swesha, does not erupt again, because we saw that in September we saw things getting out of hand. However, everything was brought into control by the end of the year, but once again we are looking at the rise of cases. We're seeing multiple lockdowns as well. So the Prime Minister, since the beginning of the pandemic, has been taking the stock of situation first hand, may it be talking to the people of the country, or talking to the SAARC nations, or talking to the chief ministers of every state, like it's happening once again, Swesha. So the Prime Minister will be taking stock of the situation,
and other colleagues also join us. We also have Amandeep live from Chandigarh, Amardeep from Jaipur and Gursimran from Jammu. If I can go to Amandeep, because Amandeep, the state of Punjab, that is also one of the 5 states where the cases have been rising. But before I take that question to Amandeep, I want to cut across to Gursimran, who's in Jammu. Gursimran, what's the situation like in Jammu?
Yes, if we speak of Jammu and Kashmir, the Jammu and Kashmir has also witnessed a surge in the cases. Likewise, if we speak of 2 weeks, first week of March, it was somewhat that 45 to 50 cases were reported on daily basis. But now the status is that around 100 to 110 cases are being reported on daily basis, and even deaths that were not reported for almost 3 weeks time from the last week of February to the second week of March. The deaths have been reported from the last 2 to 3 days. And this is all because the people are not avoiding the behavior that has to be followed during the COVID. We have seen how people are neglecting the mask. They are not even wearing masks at public gatherings. Even the testing has come down. So we can expect that from tomorrow, even after the meeting with the Prime Minister, the Jammu and Kashmir administration will ramp up the testing. We have seen earlier there was a mass testing, random testing was going on. But for the past 1 month, the testing figures were really down in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, there were hardly the random samples being taken by the administration. So now we can expect that things will wrap up, and Jammu and Kashmir government will further strict the guidelines, because everything was wide open. Even the curfew, the night curfew was taken down, and now since the cases are on a surge, the Jammu and Kashmir government is thinking seriously upon imposing some restrictions again in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, because the Jammu and Kashmir is connected to Punjab and Himachal, and both of these states, they have also seen a surge in number of cases of the COVID positive. Yes.
Right. Stay on with us. I want to go back to Madhurima, because Madhurima, it is also important to now understand that apart from following health protocol, which of course is continuing to wear the masks and follow social distancing, and there have been lapses in that which has been observed across the country, is the centre now likely to impose certain rules pan-India, or will they leave it to the states while monitoring what the individual condition of each state is and how things need to be altered, and then of course the state takes control? So how could they really go about this?
Well, Swesha, like the health ministry has pointed out, that the rise in COVID cases is strictly limited to these few multiple states like in Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra. However, there are multiple states like the national capital itself, which was one of the highest recording COVID-19 cases. But now if you look at the situation, it's quite down. Though there is a rise of cases, but national capital has time and again been successful in combating COVID-19 cases. So that could be a possibility that the Prime Minister would be suggesting the states to, toughen the vigil, toughen the rules, and and punish the people who are violating the violations, because all in all it's more of a social responsibility when it comes to combating COVID-19.
But let's not forget, Madhurima, that among the 5 states that have particularly reported the spike in the number of cases also is Chhattisgarh, and Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has skipped the meet. That of course will be a point now. For the moment, I want to thank you for all these updates. We move on.